Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Kirsten. The whole purpose of this video is so that I can get my car clean again. She is so dirty right now. It is actually disgusting. I'm usually pretty good about picking things up and occasionally wiping things down, but I'm at college now, which means that I don't have the stuff to clean my car. So therefore it is extremely dirty, and today we are literally just going to get it all ready, all clean, so that I can just feel good when I drive it. But we are first going to start with vacuuming. Okay, you guys, the first place we are going to is the car wash. Not to wash our car, I just need to use the vacuums there. This car wash is one of the ones that is right next to a gas station, so it's super tiny, but they have vacuums there that you can just use. You don't have to pay for them or anything, so I usually go here whenever I need to vacuum my car out. I just got to the gas station / vacuums. Like I said, I literally haven't done this since the summertime. It's been a good 6 months, so we have some stuff to vacuum. I'm basically just gonna take my mats out of my car and just vacuum the carpet, and I will show you the results as soon as I'm done. You guys, I just finished vacuuming. That low-key took me 30 minutes, and I literally cut myself with the vacuum. Also going to put on a hand sanitizer because I have no idea who was vacuuming their car before me. The temperature just dropped by a lot, literally 50 degrees. It's been 60s all week, and of course I picked the one day where it is kind of cold to do this. Literally just my mats, obviously because I just spent 30 minutes vacuuming them, look so much better, which makes me really happy and makes me motivated to finish this. Now that that's done, I'm going to take the car back home, and then we're gonna do all of the actual cleaning stuff, not just vacuum. It's the next day, so here we are, day 2. I just got back from a run, so that's why I look like a soccer mom. But I now have all of my cleaning supplies. Do I know what any of this stuff is for? No. But we're gonna roll with it. We're gonna figure it out as we go. Okay, actually, wait, now. I kind of know what all of this is for. So here's what we have. We are first going to start by dusting my, what is it called? Dashboard, the thing in front of me. So this is the main duster, and then this little one is for the vents, so you can really get in there, Great, let's get started. Okay, I just finished dusting. I really liked this one, this small little thing. First of all, it reminds me of like, I don't know, something in Despicable Me. I don't know what, but like when they put the googly eyes on it, it reminds me of that. But it's really nice because you can like get like in all of the little corners and like crevices and stuff. So a fan of this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to like clean my dashboard with the spray. This is the spray. Not that you guys care, but this is the Armor All Original Protectant. And it has a picture of a dashboard, so that's how I know that I'm using it correctly. Hopefully. Okay, I just ran inside and I grabbed glass cleaner, and I also grabbed a couple of Clorox wipes just because my center console like cup holder area is literally so dirty. I'm gonna work on my center console now, and I'm also gonna use this to first like polish my window, I guess. I don't know. Okay, you guys, just finished cleaning the car. It literally looks so good. I'm not gonna show you it yet. I'm going to go to the car wash next, and then I will give you like the grand reveal. Car wash time. We just pulled up to the car wash. Fun fact, I've never done this alone before. Oh god, okay, there's people in both of those. We're going in this one. It's on the very end. Oh, wait, I don't know my code. Hang on. This is scary. I'm scared. Wait. We're locked in. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna sit here and vibe. We're gonna turn the car off. Okay. We're now covered in soap. Oh, wait, it's pretty. Oh my gosh, look. Wow, it's the way I feel so accomplished. That was great. Honestly, I kind of had fun. It gave me a good solid like 10 minutes to zone out and reflect on my life. And now my car's clean. So might be doing that more often. It was kind of fun. We are going to go back home now, and I will give you the grand reveal of my car. My Jeep is now literally so clean. I'm so happy. I love how everything turned out, even though it took me so long. Hopefully you can like see a difference though. For me, it's super obvious, but like, I don't know how different it is on camera. I definitely needed to do this, and I decided to just film it. So with all that being said, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to subscribe and follow all of my socials. They're all in the description. And yeah, I will see you later with another upload. Bye!